to the kitchen to show you guys that I have a genius bird. Don't scare her. She's gonna go home. Go home. Go home. Oh my gosh, Kay, you're scaring her. Thank you. Go home. Oh my gosh, dumb bird. Ta-da! She's home! She goes out when she wants to. She goes home when she wants to. How that works is because there's water things right here. Right? But then, like, she learned how to push the water out. Like, it locks, like you have to lift it and then pull. But she learned how to, like, lift and then push. So then for a while we've been seeing like all these water things on the ground and then her just on top of the cage. So then what we did is we just took it out so that there wouldn't be water spills on the ground all the time. And yeah, so she just goes out when she wants to and she goes home when she wants to.